Hi, I'm David Smith. I'm a professional sign writer, glass gilder and a teacher, and I have over 40 years experience in this industry. I've taught many people around the world since 1994, and I'm now sharing this craft with you on my new online glass gilding workshop. This online course will help you learn the techniques and the skills to become a glass gilder and a sign writer. This course has been designed for total beginners and for anyone that wants to learn a new craft or even to take it into a new hobby. It will also help advanced gilders and sign writers learn even more gilding techniques and processes. There is literally something for everyone on this course. We have filmed this course in such a way to make you feel like I am with you in person throughout the 52 hours. With this course being online, it will allow you to work at your own pace and from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to learn this course all in one go. You can take it step by step in your own time frame, which will enable you to stop and start at your own leisure. With this course, the bonus is you don't need to travel, saving you a lot of time and money on travel expenses. So, what will you learn? You will start by learning 18 different water gilding techniques. We will then cover the basics of brush control. Then you will go on to create 12 beautiful gilded letters where you will cover many glass gilding and sign writing techniques. For example, oil gilding, blending gold leaf, Damar varnish embossing, brush blending, directional burnishing, abalone inlay, colour theory, and then on to letter construction and so much more. The good thing about this course, you do not need a big budget to get yourself started. This course is designed to start with the basics of creating one gilded letter at a time, working your way up through the letters to more advanced techniques. This workshop will include addresses all around the world for all the materials, tools and supplies lists needed to produce the work. To help you, you will also have access to 12 PDF drawings ready to download, which can be used for templates. After completing this course, it will set you up to go on and create your own gilded pieces and other commercial work. I've made this online class to pass on my knowledge and passion for my craft to other artists that want to learn these incredible processes, keeping the craft alive for the next generations to come. Enroll today to start your journey into this glass gilding world.